When people describe the Pakistan-China friendship, they often say it is higher than the mountains and deeper than the oceans. Traditionally, this symbolism was rooted in the earth itself. But in the words of Carl Sagan, the earth is the cradle of humanity, but mankind cannot stay in the cradle forever. The same can now be said about Pakistan-China friendship. This partnership is no longer limited to roads, ports, energy projects, or economic corridors. It now extends to satellites, lunar missions, astronaut training, Earth observation, and Pakistan's place in the future space economy. Today, it is fair to say that this friendship now reaches to infinity and beyond. And how did this journey begin? It actually dates back to 1990 when Pakistan's first satellite, Badr 1, was launched with China's support. For Pakistan, this was more than just a launch. It was the birth of a long-term technological partnership. By 1991, both nations signed formal agreements on the peaceful applications of space technologies, proving that space would become an area of deep scientific and strategic trust. The next major phase arrived in 2011 with the launch of PakSat-1R. It significantly strengthened Pakistan's communication infrastructure and national connectivity. Then in 2018, the launch of PRSS-1 and PakTest-1A marked a shift. This moved cooperation from communication into Earth observation, and this provided critical data for disaster management, agricultural research, and urban planning across the Belt and Road region. In recent years, Pakistan's space activity has accelerated sharply. In May 2024, PakSat MM1 was launched to enhance digital connectivity, followed by iQube Qamar, Pakistan's first lunar nanosatellite. This historic milestone carried Pakistan beyond Earth's orbit and into the realm of lunar science. By January 2025, Pakistan launched its indigenous Earth Observation 1 satellite. This showed that Pakistan can now build its own space hardware. January 2025, Pakistan launched its indigenous Earth Observation 4 satellite. This showed that Pakistan was now building its own space hardware. And this momentum continued through 2025 with the launch of Aegis-1, a hyperspectral satellite that can detect details invisible to normal cameras. Why is iQube Qamar considered such a turning point? It fundamentally changed the nature of the cooperation. With iQube Qamar, Pakistan entered the world of deep space exploration. It was a historic leap into planetary science. The next chapter is even more ambitious. China's Chang'e 8 mission in 2029 is planned to carry a Pakistani lunar rover to the moon's south pole. But perhaps the most exciting milestone is human space flight. In April 2026, two candidates, Mohammad Zishan Ali and Khurram Daud, were selected for training, and one of them is expected to fly to the Tangong space station as a payload specialist. For Pakistan, this would be a national milestone. Ultimately, this is more than just a friendship story. It is a story of trust transforming into technology. And the future of this partnership will not only be built on highways and ports, but also in orbit and on the lunar surface. Very soon, Pakistani astronauts may look back at Earth from Tangong space station, marking a new celestial chapter in this historic partnership. Thank you.